So I guess my question is predictability in that, but when you have 5 adults in one classroom working with the same bunch of children, I guess I'm asking, should we all have the same language or does it matter?
Yes, I would have the same core intention and the same core expectations. So we're all working off the same page, but you're going to put your style on it. Maybe you're the bubbly, happy one. I'm the more, toned down, conservative one. The core has to be the same, and then you put your own style on it. That happens too with mothers and fathers. Okay? As I'm, there are the comments. Mom does it her way, Dad does it his way. And it ends up sending mixed messages. But if we bring in the element of development, which is what we're talking about here today, we all start off literally on the same page. Then Dad can do the funny style and the joke way that he does, and Mom can do the annoying way. But we're all hitting the element of development.